Alright, bro. What we doing today?
Let me get a 2. You know, you can do a little enhancements, right here on the sidebars.
Yeah.
You know, fade me out right here. And I want to keep the beard thick.
Okay, as wide as possible?
Yeah.
Okay, bet.
Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Beam, and today we got one of them bangers. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe button, hit that notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out. Without further ado, let's lock in and let's get it. So I want to go in using a comb by combing my client's hair down. I want to lift all of this hair up. This client of mine is a client who just decided to start a wave journey. He came from having dreads above top, and as you guys can see, he got a lot of light spots and a lot of imperfections throughout this hair. So we trying to do a way to keep his hair as dark as possible, protect his crown, and protect a lot of the light spots that lay under the waves at the same time, giving it a nice, clean, solidified, executive look. And I think today at the end of this video with these results, we will overwhelm you with how this thing will look. My boy came out super crispy, super fly. So as you guys can see, I got a 2 guard on that, completely closed. Like he said, he wanted 2 close with the grain. As you can see, as I'm trimming some of this hair, some of them light spots will pop out. And you can see it perfectly from this angle. Especially like where his occipital bones is, the protrusion of the bones. Look how the unevenness of certain parts of the haircut is coming out. But you always gotta finesse it. You always gotta finesse it. Like, a lot of people don't understand when you cutting hair, this will frustrate a new barber. And the reason I say it will frustrate a new barber is because a new barber be cutting with a guard and be wondering to himself like, damn, why his hair not all going down to one length? Because some people naturally have thinner hair in certain areas. You have to find that way. You gotta find that pocket. You gotta find that place to stay at. You gotta not get bothered by certain things like this. This does not force you to go against the grain, anything of that nature. Deal with it as they come. And when I say as they come with a 2, he'll have light spots in certain areas, but we just knock them out. So as you guys see right here, we go with the trimmer at the bottom of the temple area, and we want to just create a clean 1-inch indentation between that, basically placing it to be centered up with the middle of the ear. And as you guys can see, now that that pocket is completely open, I can work. I'm open with my Babeless FX1s. I'm giving myself a 1/2 inch guideline, and I'm just working and staying as positive as possible throughout this haircut to bring this transition together. Now a 1 guard completely open, as you guys can see, using the hilt of my blade, rocking with 3 to 4 teeth at a time, and slowly but surely, you know, edging myself in here so I could get some transition and a clean fade. Not completely closed, as you guys can see, we rocking out, just playing in between that, drop them halfway right here. And you know, the fade is pretty much done, but we're gonna do detail work to really ice it out and bring it all the way together, because we back completely open now, and we're gonna really retap it. Super clean, as you guys can see. Super clean. Just taking our time, piece by piece, brick by brick, down to that 0.5 guard. Now that's that 1/16 guard, as you guys can see, is spooky. We getting there. We getting there, man. Beautiful. Just playing on that edge, doing everything as consistent as possible. Now completely open at the top of the beard. Give myself a 1/2 inch there, drop them halfway, drop them completely closed. Top part of the fade of the beard is completely knocked out. That's all it's about, the system. That's all it's about. It's literally about the system. 0.5 guard, you know, start close, go halfway, back to close, and just in between until we get that consistency that we like. My client doesn't want any of his beard cut off. He want to keep it wide, he want to keep it full. He giving his beard a new look, so, you know, we decided to give him that. When y'all see me put the line on it, y'all gonna really appreciate the dark executive look that we put on this boy. Like, it came out beautiful. Just taking our time. And now we finish, and I go into the back doing the same thing. I wanna punch in my guideline, you know, at least a 1/2 inch towards the back of the nape area, just taking my time. And you know, we just wanna just get everything as consistent as possible and as solid as possible. Now completely open. About a whole inch, because I gotta small pocket to play with. So right here, I just want to ensure that I sit under that last big wave for the taper. Drop them halfway in between right here, so as you guys can see, just slowly but surely bringing it down, something that fully closed, just using the edge of my teeth and just bringing it all the way together. And as you guys can see, it's popping. Not completely open with a 0.5 guard, and then I'm gonna drop them halfway, and I'm gonna drop it completely closed, and that's what you're getting right there. Nice clean blend. Open again right here, halfway. Not completely closed, and as you guys can see, like, you are getting the same results regardless of whoever the client is. You're gonna get majority of the same results. Open, halfway, close. Simple. Now, y'all know what I like to do on this side. It's one of my favorite sides for a reason, man. You know, hey, it's holidays. It's that time. Holidays for me has always been about the kids. It's always been about your family. It's always been about the women in your life. And it's always been about, you know, your brothers and some of the men in your life as well, too. But I think we gather today on moments like this to really enjoy with our family. I'm really happy that we was able to get through Thanksgiving. If you guys had amazing Thanksgiving, man, that's super cool, bro, because like I was talking about in my last video, I love when families get together and do the thing. But y'all know it's something about this time of the year where I'm happy, I'm upbeat, and the world is happy and upbeat regardless. Like I said, if you celebrate holidays or you don't, it's around that time, and it's just hard to have, you know, to think bad or live in a bad space when it's this much good energy in the air. Just keep it P and just, you know, keep it solid with your people that's around you and just keep working out. But I wanted to really expound on this whole like business and like entrepreneurship thing that you do with other people, man. Take care of yourself, man. And a lot of my ambassadors out there that's working, that's becoming ambassadors with these companies, take care of yourself. Make sure that these contracts is in place. I got a homie who just got played out of $1 million. Not in Tune 45, but one of my homies, like one of my real homies outside of Barbering, you know, was working with a company, helped them build up so many things, bring new products to the land, and it was word of mouth that kept him, like, you know, enticed with the project. They just sold the company for like $7 to $8 million, and he was supposed to get paid $1 million out of it and then make no money. And it was just, man, bro, like, it was damn near like I watched a Netflix series with that one. That one was crazy. So if you out there, you brand ambassador, you working, you want to make sure you getting your percentages on everything. I don't care if you getting 10-15% per sale. I don't care if you getting equity in the company, whatever it is, you better have them written out in the contract, so you could get paid out. Like, I just watched a man dedicate 7-8 years of his life to a company and got played at the end, and that's not how you guys want to be. So, you know, learn from them mistakes. I went in using some shaving cream or some hot lather and then hot toweled it, and as you guys can see, it's time for that. It's time for that time. We about to pop out. We about to put it on. It's time to really ramp it up and take it to that place. So as you guys can see, I'm just hitting them with the hole and spray, bringing everything together, keeping everything as consistent as possible and as clean as possible, and now assisting it with a neck wrap just to purposely lay the front of that lineup down, because like I said, his hair is just really moving a lot. Next step, go in using my FX trimmer and just hit these lines. As you guys can see, I'm starting with my straight areas of my nape area, and then I'm going to use the corner of my blade and work myself all the way around that corner, just staying positive as possible, and brick by brick and layer by layer, we sculpting this thing and bringing it all the way together. That's what it's about. It's about efficiency, it's about consistency, and it's about being in that mindset when knowing that, you know, this your bag. Like, nobody could get you out of it. Nobody could get you out of it. I need y'all to, like, all my upcoming barbers, stay focused. Like, I get people that hack on me every day. A guy just told me under one of the YouTube video from last week, said, hey bro, I suggest, you know, you stop talking so much in the video. Gang, if you not a supporter of my channel or you ain't been here on my channel, then use your suggestions for somebody else. Like, it's plenty other people you could support on YouTube than support me. I know what I stand for. I know what my mission is. I know how many people lives I done saved in terms of getting them to go to barber school and turning their lives around, getting fresh out of jail and jumping into barber schools. Like, bro, I'm not finna play with nobody on the internet. You know, no matter who you are, you could be a kind-hearted person, a humble person. There's gonna be somebody out there that try to find flaw in what you do because they internally got something going on that they can't get past in a moment. It's so many people who can't chase their dreams, so what they rather do is spread negativity to make you not follow your dreams. It's weird, it's goofy, and you get what I mean? Like, it's a form of entitlement, and it's a form of ignorance. So I want to go in and hit my vertical bars right here and just really establish dominance in this lineup. Knowing that his lineup has a lot of like ins and outs and funny places, I want to make sure that we straight. So as you guys can see, I'm putting it together. Vertical bars first. Now I want to implant myself in the middle, going to my center point and rocking out from that point on and trying to move down the line. As you guys can see, Clipper spitting that crack. We getting them clean lines. We finna take it there. But that was my whole point. Like, bruh, don't let somebody talk you out of what you doing. It be people who like literally gotta find flaw in you because their life is terrible. That saying, misery love company, is true. And I noticed it when I had somebody come in my comment section talk about, I suggest you not talk so much. I suggest you go watch another damn video. Like, you get what I mean, bro? Like, it's simple, bro. Like, tomato, gang. Like, if you don't like what I'm doing, bro, just don't watch me, bro. I'm not here to make videos for specific people. I'm here to rock out with the people that have been showing me love, you know, over these last 7-8 years of my YouTube career. My people who we done built a community with, all these upcoming barbers who done learned majority of their styles from me. We put it together over here. And if it's something that you don't like, there's plenty other barbers. There's car channels, there's entrepreneur channels, there's anime channels, there's all type of channels in the world to feed, you know, to feed your ego. I'm just not that guy, bro. So when people pop in my comments, sometimes I hop in my bag and step on something, because people don't understand and know exactly what I put behind myself in this craft, you know, to do it this way, to give you people the game the way that I give y'all the game. Like, people don't understand my route, and they shouldn't understand my route, because when you doing something to better the world, people will always try to step on it, because either they not a part of that process, or they really want to help the world and can't help the world and don't know how to figure it out. So their biggest thing is to go try to step on somebody else's motion to make themselves feel better. So it's just weird energy, bro. And it's like, you get what I mean? I don't even be mad at it, but we gotta speak on it, because like, I have zero tolerance for weirdos, gang. If you don't like what I do, then go on about your day, because it's millions of other channels that support what, you know, support your ways of life. So my next step is to go in using my pink color enhancement card for the breast cancer awareness month. Shout out to Sean for this card a banger. And I want to go in and use my Beam Team cordless compressor, assisting it with my color No Drip, you know, and we just putting it together. I got a lot of Beam Team videos coming out, man. I be sick and tired of people they be hitting me up. They be, man, my compressor this, my compressor that. It's so many people that's so used to using a tank that they don't understand how to use a wireless compressor and how to keep it together and how to, you know, keep it all the way together. I've been using the same compressor that I'm using now for the last 4 to 5 years. Like, I have not switched my compressor out. So the fact that people are having problems with their compressor just goes to show, for me, either you got something faulty, which you always have a warranty with Tune 45. You have an unlimited warranty. If you ever get a product from us that isn't in shape, that's messed up or anything, you contact support at tune45.com, and we immediately warranty your product and switch it out, because customer satisfaction is what we thrive through. But at the end of the day, when you are making thousands of products, there will be some type of manufacturing thing that's going on that some products may suffer more than the other ones. Like, quality control is very difficult when you mass production. So I just want people to understand and know, if you've bought any of our products and things ain't work, DM me right away. I'll set you up with Tune 45 as support. We'll get your warranty, and you have a free brand new product, just to make sure that you're enjoying what you like. So as you guys can see with my DLC blade, I'm just smacking, putting pain out. I'm putting pain out. I doubled up too, so I use fibers too, because some of his light spots, for me, you know, his hair too dark to just use the wet color. We needed some dry color to build on top of that hair and give it that real pop, that flare, that flash, and bring it all the way together. So as you guys can see, we got something beautiful. I got full control of my client head, just turning his head. As you can see, we locked in, we rolling, stepping with a purpose. This is beautiful. Ice Trader. angle the razor at a 45-degree angle and bring everything back to the highest point. And just as you guys can see, y'all know me when it comes to this build work one-on-one. I'm just taking my time. Cleaning off the top area as well. Once we clean all this area out, we grab a whisk, we dust it off, go back, hit it again. As you guys can see, super clean right there. Just go ahead, redo everything that we did with the straight razor and repunch it in to get it super official, super clean. Now y'all can see that executive look popping out like my dog, like a CEO or like a rapper or something. It's kind of crazy I just said that because bro actually do rap. It's my dog Get Cash. As you guys can see, this clean. Stretching the skin, bringing everything back to the points. And we just putting it together. I apologize for my shoulder being in the shot right there. Sometimes I be forgetting to look back at my camera, man. Like looking back at the camera be hard when you be zoned out and in your bag. Same thing here. Angle razor, 45-degree angle. Stretch the skin, bring everything back to the highest point. I'm just setting certain guidelines to help me roll myself into the curve of the beard, keeping it P as possible. Simple but effective. Dust them off with a whisk so we can see it for what it truly is. And now we in that space. Man, we in that space. It's levels, bro. Levels. Yeah, that's beautiful. I love precision, bruh. Oh, the Tomb 45 razors. The orders had just went in for everybody that was contacting me about this razor. This razor will be on the market very soon. I'm talking about watch out within the next week or two. We dropping 4 or 5 different colorways of them. It's completed. Y'all done asked for it enough. The Tomb 45 Turkish razor, the new handle, will be out literally in the next week or two. So please be on the lookout. I got pink, I got red, black, blue, green. We got all of the colors, man. And my last step of it all was to just float over the waves and bring everything all the way together. We just want everything to lay down for it and just, comply with what I got going on. P is for pressure in this one. We stepped on it. It's unfortunate that clients come in the barbershop to get haircuts after 2 or 3 months without a haircut. But as barbers, it's up to us to change that outcome. It's about the journeys. It's about elevating. It's about putting pain on the world in ways that we know how to. Without further ado, who would I be if I didn't step? Let's lock in. Hashtag TBT in that comment section. Hashtag Glash. Hashtag Glacier Gang. Y'all know what time it is. We locked in. We focused. We putting pressure on everything that's sitting in this chair, regardless of who you are. If you're new to my channel, please hit that like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell to get alerted when new videos come out. Without further ado, I am Beam, and may God bless.
Alright, bro. You can let me know what you think about this. It's a real motion man right there, bro.
Yes, sir, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, yes, sir, bro. I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
See the table, the line up. I think everything look good for
Everything, man. Came a long way. Yes, sir.
That's a bet, bro.
Yeah.